All right, so finishing up my Christmas vacation from work, and I need to clean my work shed. Uh, it's 12 by 24. I think the walls are like 5'9", 5'10" maybe. So I don't really have any room for shelving or cabinets or anything. Well, what happens is I come in here and I get started on a project and get sidetracked, and then it just piles up. I think a lot of people have that issue, but I'll show y'all what how messy it is right now, and I'm going to clean it up today. It's just, I mean, wall to wall, just mess, unorganized mess. One of the things I want to do is clear this workbench off, and I'd like to take and build a. I want to take this entire workbench right here out, because what happens is I'll get scrap wood and I'll throw it up underneath here, and as you can tell, it's all it's all buried in there and it's hard to get to anything. Well, what I want to do is take all of this out. That toolbox right there, I'm probably going to do away with it. And this miter saw right here, it's old, it's worn out, it's a Harbor Freight one. I'm going to replace it with that rigid one. I bought this rigid one like a year ago, a little over a year ago, and I'm going to take in maybe 2 years now. I took it out of the box finally, and I'm going to make a stand for it whenever I get the floor freed up to where I can get my sawhorses in here set up to where I can cut down a piece of plywood in the center. So what I need to do is free up my floor space so I can get started on some of those projects. Hey, thanks for watching me clean up my shop a little bit today. This is this is what this area right here looks like. Uh, right there where the tires are, they didn't really go up underneath the workbench, so I just had to do them like that. I'll figure out somewhere to put the this toolbox and the tap and die set. Like I said, that subwoofer box going back in my truck. This little air compressor. Not sure where I'm going to put it. The little boom box thing, Milwaukee battery radio that I made a couple of years ago. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. I may try to find a power supply to hook it up to a regular outlet, plus be able to use it on a battery here pretty soon. I may redo the whole case. I don't know yet. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you for watching my video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.